In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Tradovate to TradingView in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, head over to TradingView.com and sign in to your account. If you don't have one yet, go ahead and create it. It only takes a minute. Once you're logged in, hover your mouse over Products at the top and click on Super Charts. After the chart opens, look down at the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see two tabs. Click on Trading Panel. This will slide up a new panel. If you don't see everything, just drag it upward a little to expand it. Now click on Show All Brokers. Scroll down until you find Tradovate. It should appear in the list. Once you see it, click on it. Next, choose whether you want to connect a live account or a demo account. After that, enter your Tradovate username and password, and then click Connect. And that's it. You've successfully connected Tradovate to TradingView. You can now place trades directly from your charts with ease. I hope this tutorial helped you out. If it did, please consider subscribing to the channel. It really helps me out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.